Hi guys, this is Tracey from Lavinia Stamps, and I'm here to talk about our new magical collection of stamps that we've got here for you. I've got some designs that I'm going to show you now, just to give you a little bit of an insight to what we have been up to. So for the last few months I've been designing these stamps, and they really do reflect the new building quite a lot, as you'll see when you come and visit. As you know, we are very busy moving everything over to the Dreamatorium. So everything's all come at once, which is amazing, and we are really looking forward to seeing you at the new premises. Okay, so let me show you some of our brand new stamps. So we've got little Pris there, who's our new pixie in our lovely archway. These are all buildable stamps, everything's separated out so you can create your own beautiful creations. So we've got our lovely grand fairy clock here. The detail in this I am so pleased about. As you know, I spend a lot of time getting the detail of the stamps, and then the manufacturer equally spends so much time getting all the lovely detail of these stamps. So I am absolutely over the moon with how they have come out. And we've got our new 2 mice in the collection as well, along with our lovely cloche. We've got bookshelves. These again are all buildable. You'll see shortly from the collection that we've got how to create this kind of thing. We've got so many new videos coming up from myself, Emma Jo, and the lovely design team that will show you how to create some of these beautiful cards. We've got some lovely little mushrooms as a new addition as well, and this is one of my favourite go-to stamps. This is a really tiny one in a collection of 4. And then we've got our lovely candelabra here, a lovely vine candelabra. And I think I love this effect where we're stamping over the pan pastels. It looks very magical, like it's at night time. And we get that lovely glow using some of those pan pastels. And again. And we've got some other bits here. Again, these are all separated out. You can mix and match. They go perfectly with some of our older stamps as well. And that's how I design them, all to mix and match with what you've already got. And there we go. So exciting times ahead. So we're moving on now to a quick craft, so bear with.